Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a narrow niche and why it matters. Targeting one audience makes growth predictable. Once chosen, pick a platform and register a domain now. A paid domain signals trust. Make a simple content plan with one post this week and an email sign-up on day one. Set immediate metrics so you can measure progress. For example, 50 subscribers in 3 months. Start the process now, and don't delay the first publish. You now build a small library of pillar posts to attract search and referrals. Aim for 5 solid pieces at 800 to 500 words. Once done, use a template for consistency. Headline formula, problem lead, 3 benefits, and a call to action so you can produce faster. Make sure to set up an email autoresponder and basic analytics. Automation saves time and reveals what works. Keep publishing on schedule and iterate based on opens, clicks, and search rankings. You finish by launching a focused week-long promo. Post social snippets, email your network, and ask 3 peers to share. Once live, track open rate, traffic sources, bounce rate, and 1 conversion metric so you know if readers take action. If growth stalls, troubleshoot, audit SEO, rewrite weak headlines, diversify distribution channels, and improve site speed. Make small fixes, then repromote. Keep iterating until you hit the first consistent growth signal and scale from there.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.